How does a simple combination of ingredients turn into one of Korea's most iconic dishes? Let's dive deep into the fascinating journey of making sundae, a dish steeped in tradition and crafted with care. Sundae, or Korean blood sausage, isn't just a dish, it's a symbol of ingenuity, history, and the love of good food. This delicacy has been cherished for centuries, born out of a need to use every part of the animal and turn humble ingredients into something extraordinary. Today, that tradition continues, blending old-world techniques with the efficiency of modern food production. The journey begins long before the sausage takes shape. It starts with carefully selected ingredients, each one chosen to play its part in creating the perfect sundae. At the core of this dish is fresh pork blood, a staple of Korean cuisine that might surprise some but holds deep cultural significance. It's not just an ingredient, it's a key to the dish's unique flavor and texture, providing a richness that no substitute can replicate. But sundae isn't just about the blood. Glass noodles are another essential component, giving the sausage its iconic chewiness. These noodles, made from sweet potato starch, are soaked until they become soft and pliable, yet still firm enough to hold their structure. Alongside the noodles, there's an array of vegetables: scallions for their mild oniony flavor, garlic for a touch of warmth, and onions for their sweetness. Every vegetable is meticulously washed, chopped, and prepared, ensuring each bite of sundae bursts with fresh, vibrant flavors. Seasoning is the final touch to the filling. A carefully measured blend of spices brings the entire mixture to life. Salt and pepper are obvious choices, but other spices unique to each factory or chef add depth and complexity, creating a recipe that's as much about tradition as it is about individual creativity. The result is a mix that's savory, aromatic, and irresistibly satisfying. When all the ingredients are ready, the process moves to blending at the heart of sundae making. Large mixing machines combine the pork blood, glass noodles, vegetables, and spices in perfect proportions, creating a filling that's both smooth and textured. Workers monitor the machines closely, ensuring the mixture is evenly blended and perfectly seasoned. This step is crucial because it's where the flavors and textures of sundae are born. Next comes one of the most fascinating parts of the process: stuffing the sausage casings. Traditionally, this was a painstaking, manual task performed by skilled hands. Even today, though machines assist in the process, there's a distinct artistry to it. The casings, made from natural intestines, are delicate yet durable. They must be carefully prepared, cleaned, and inspected before they're ready to hold the filling. Watching the stuffing process is mesmerizing. The mixture flows steadily into the casings, forming long, uniform sausages that are tied off with precision. This step requires patience and skill, as uneven stuffing can cause the sausages to burst during cooking. Once stuffed, the sausages are carefully arranged and prepared for steaming, a step that transforms the raw mixture into the iconic sundae we know. Steaming is both an art and a science. The sausages are cooked at specific temperatures for a precise amount of time, ensuring the flavors meld together and the texture is just right. Too much heat, and the casings might break; too little, and the filling won't set properly. As the sausages steam, the air fills with an inviting aroma, a savory scent that evokes memories of street food stalls and home-cooked meals. When the steaming process is complete, the sausages are removed and cooled. But the journey doesn't end here. Each sundae must pass through rigorous quality control. Workers inspect every sausage by hand, checking for consistency, shape, and texture. This step is a testament to the pride and care that goes into making sundae. Only sausages that meet the highest standards are packaged for distribution. Packaging is the final stage in the factory, but it's far from just a mechanical task. Each sausage is vacuum sealed to lock in its freshness and flavor, ensuring it arrives in perfect condition. Whether it's destined for a local street vendor or a supermarket halfway around the world, the packaging is more than just a means of transport. It's a way to preserve tradition, allowing people everywhere to experience a taste of Korea's culinary heritage. And then comes the moment we've all been waiting for: the joy of eating sundae. Whether it's served with a sprinkle of salt, a side of spicy tteokbokki sauce, or wrapped in perilla leaves, Sundae is more than just food. It's an experience. It's a connection to Korea's rich history, a taste of its street markets, and a reminder of the care and craftsmanship that went into creating it. Every bite of sundae is a celebration of Korea's culinary tradition, from the careful selection of ingredients to the artistry of preparation and the precision of cooking. This dish is a labor of love. The next time you enjoy this iconic delicacy, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to reach your plate. A journey that blends history, innovation, and the